I'm gonna show you how to packing my product and the review from my customer. Okay, let's see it.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from
First, apply silicone glue to the fake nail paper and put the finished fake nails on the paper. For the fake nails, by sorting from the thumb to the little finger, and after put them in the plastic bag.
23, and I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, place your head on my beating heart.
Next, then put a laser butter, a nail file, how to use it, silicone glue, and liquid glue for gluing fake nails.
Memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways, and maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand.
And finally, put it all in the box. Finish! This is my finished packaging, and after I will send it to customer.
1,000 stars, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we.
And this is a review from the customer.